Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This question is from October-November 1-4, variant 43, questions 6D. Amino acids can form different ions at different pH values. Suggest the structures of one of the ions formed from the alpha amino acids below at the respective pH values. Alright, so what is the structure of lysine at pH 1? So for this, we will have to look for the structure of lysine from the data booklet first. So it looks like this. C with COOH, H, this is H2N, and this is CH2, 4, and H2. Alright, now when lysine is being added at pH 1. pH 1 shows that it is added to an acidic environment. So in an acidic environment, this environment acts as a proton donor to this lysine. Okay, so we will have to focus on this side, the acid and the base side. Okay, so we focus on this tree. Now, when the environment acts as a proton donor, the proton will be donated to the base. Okay, because acid will look for the bases to react. So therefore, your answer is going to be like this. It becomes H3N positive, COOH, CH2 bracket 4, and H3 plus. Well, the next question is the aspartic acid at pH 14. So again, we'll need to draw out the aspartic acid structure first. So it looks like that. Alright, when aspartic acid is added at pH 14, pH 14 is the environment, is a basic environment. So, a basic environment is a proton acceptor, meaning the aspartic is going to donate the proton for this environment to be accepted. So, only the acidic side can donate away their proton. So, therefore, the structure will look like this. So this proton will be donated, so it will be gone. So for these questions, how many different dipeptide it is possible to synthesize, each containing 2 of the 3 amino acids, alanine, serine, and lysine. So dipeptide means it is formed from 2 amino acids. Alright, so it is like a probability questions. 2 amino acid. So this is your amino acid 1, and this is your amino acid 2. Alright, so since we have 3 amino acids, the chances for these 3 amino acids to be in this first place will be 3. There will be 3 possibilities. Alright, and then leaving with 2 of it. So, therefore, it is 3 times 2 equals to 6. Number 2, draw the structural formula of one of these dipeptide incorporating serine and alanine. Right, so we need to look for the structure of serine. That it looks like this. Well, this is serine. And for alanine, this is how we show it. Okay, so when these two react, we just have to draw one of this dipeptide. It's either this one in front and this one at the back, or we can put this one in front and this one at the back. Alright, so now let's follow the sequence over here. So for the carboxylic acid side, we are going to remove the OH, whereas for the amine side, we are just going to remove one of the H. Okay, so then we combine it by using a peptide bond. Then you will get the structure. So you can see the C double bond O here will be joining to this N and H. And the water molecule will be removed. Okay, but they just want us to form the structural formula. They just want us to write the structure formula. So you just have to show them this as your final.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.